Hey, Central Florida, this is a quick reminder about what you need to do if you have an encounter with an ICE agent at a checkpoint or out in public. Please keep in mind when you see those Know Your Rights flyers or different people talking online about saying you have the right to remain silent, typically that has repercussions, and those legal standards under this administration and this climate can be very dangerous, can lead to detention. So if you have a case pending with the court or with USCIS, we strongly encourage that you keep those on your person or in your vehicle so that if you are questioned about your status, you can comply with showing that. Now, if you're a US citizen, this doesn't apply to you. However, if ICE comes to your home, regardless of your status, and they do not have a warrant signed by a judge, you are not required to open the door and communicate with them. So you always need to be prepared for the worst case scenario, and you need to have a person or contact who knows how to find your important documents or knows your alien number and who can get these documents. God forbid you are detained. You need to have a plan in place so if the worst happens or God forbid you're detained, your family members and your attorney can help you as quickly as possible. So if you are stopped by ICE in public, you want to be able to show them that you have a case pending with your notice of hearing, receipt notices from USCIS. As you're seeing in the news, failing to cooperate with them can lead to detention, injury, or God forbid worse. So although these flyers are telling you to know your rights, please know that asserting these rights can have serious repercussions, and that's not what we are technically advising our clients to do at this time. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Now, if you don't have a valid driver's license or you don't have valid status, do not drive. We cannot emphasize this enough. You're asking for an encounter with law enforcement, which will lead to ICE detention. If you have a valid driver's license but you don't have lawful status, you're still at risk as they can run your background checks. So if you shouldn't be driving, please don't do so. If you have any questions, please let me know.